Morning traders, in this video I would like to review why I live and breathe what I do. Joseph is a hedge fund manager. Joseph and I have been working together for the last 7 years. What does Joseph say about oil? Oil is being manipulated by government. Don't listen to the news, just watch Allah's chart. Oops! This is the reason I love what I do. So let's recap the events of this week with Alpha Fibonacci System. Extremely bearish news on oil. Prior to oil news, we're discussing this support holding the key. Here's oil 24 hours after oil news. Let's go back to oil at the time of the news and see what happened to the bearish oil news. I convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade. Here's 5. This is oil news yesterday morning. Oil skyrocketing 100 points plus. Day trader who shorted oil on the news in for a very big surprise. This level held for hours. Intelligent trader never shorts near this level. Every single time in this room, we turn oil news on so you can instantly see the precision of the system. But market is a stepping stone. No speculation here. Oil holds this level for the next 2 hours. Shorting near this level for the previous day, not a good idea. This morning oil is here. But look at the events after the news. This is oil until oil close for the day. Oil did not crash through this support. Oil continue respecting this support. And that's what we witness every single day. If you decide to trade oil long term, as institutional traders do, as traders do in Saudi Arabia, all over the world with Alpha Fibonacci System, can you? Of course, because with power of the system you are buying the bottom. Let's go all the way back to the months of March 2020. In case you missed the events in this trading room, it was historical event. Look at that. What would your trading be if you knew months in advance that this is a place to buy oil? Maybe you would retire like Mustafa does. My dearest friend for life, quitting his job. He's done working for someone else. You probably know that the economy in Saudi Arabia based on oil. Mustafa is not trading oil futures. Mustafa is trading different stocks. But this is a system with a software in front of you. This is pure price. This is not oil, this is S&P mini futures. The entire morning we discussed that intelligent trader paying attention very clearly to this chart. There are no sellers here. How many shorts have you taken last year against Goldman, against JP Morgan, against BlackRock traders? How many? Is your account 50, 60, 80% shorts? Oops. Your brilliant mind is not making very sharp decisions. Institutional bias firmly long, and you knew this months in advance. So if you decide to trade the system with the software, this is extremely aggressive trade. It's a red zone, it's historical high. So if you're trading your own macro account, your own micro account, and if you're day trading the system, there is no conservative trades in this market. They do not exist. Institutional traders already doubled their money. Institutional traders can afford to buy anywhere. But if you are trading your own account, the only option this morning is extremely aggressive long. There is nothing else is here. Why? Because Goldman bullish train is on. A lot of money being made by holding longs. This can last years. So if you're starting your morning with institutions, it doesn't matter if it's S&P or oil or Bitcoin, traders all over the world trading the system. Ultimate bottom and ultimate top is the power of the system. Day trading not for everyone, but anyone can invest and trade long term. So if I take you back to oil, here's oil 3 months later. Look at that. It never gets old. Oil no longer at the bottom. Oil at historical high. And when oil reaches historical high, this morning there is absolutely no sellers on oil, despite very bearish news. This is where oil is this morning. A year later at historical high, year and a half later on October 28th. Which one are you? Are you intelligent strategic trader who is trading markets as a chess game? Or are you still blocking the vision of the price with junky indicators? Answer lies within you. Answer does not lie outside. But if you decide to trade Tesla, of course you can. Let's go back on Tesla to the month of February 2021 so you can see key support on Tesla. This is key to the downside. No surprise, all precise. All the details in the live class and in bootcamp. Stunning place to buy Tesla. Not the place to short near. And that's where Tesla skyrocketed from. And that's how intelligent traders strategizes in advance. No speculation, no random points, no chasing markets does not exist. That's it. Another historical high on Tesla. The support holding the key. It did not hold up on Bitcoin. Global convention on Bitcoin announced, but Bitcoin in free fall when support is out. Let's go back to March 2021 in case you missed Bitcoin crash. Shall we? Oops! Shock or not. Did you buy Bitcoin at 60? Not a brilliant move. Intelligent trader exiting Bitcoin. Having a blast. I work with Steve since 2018. In 2018, Steve bought Bitcoin at the bottom. Emergency room doctor flew to California to meet with me. It is an honor to work with Steve, my dearest friend for life. Choice is yours. Do you want to trade stocks, Bitcoin, or options? Or do you want to trade Nasdaq? Or do you want to trade options? Choice is yours. System applies to it all. So when you start focusing on pure price, the sky's the limit. Day trading is psychological test each and every day. If day trading not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term positions. Doesn't matter if it's S&P or oil or Tesla or Bitcoin. All of this from our live trading room where we discuss every single instrument. We will do exact same thing on instruments in our live bootcamp. So where Bitcoin skyrocketed from? Should not be surprised. But it's exact same thing that plays out on every instrument. Price is price, exactly the same. This was a crash on Amazon, but you knew this in advance. If I take you back to the months of May, this was Amazon. Stunning and flawless sell-off. Has anyone seen bad news on Amazon? Of course not. Have you been buying Amazon at 3,700? Not a good idea. Market is flawless. Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. You will never need anything else. All of details in the live class next. That's it. No speculation. Pure strategic system based on institutional structure. But if you decide to trade with software for NinjaTrader 8, of course you can. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular week. I can't wait to see you in a bootcamp. Bootcamp almost completely full. So please join us in the trading room when trading room will reopen. I do not give any other date at this time. I'm only focusing on my current students, nothing else. So please review all the details on the website. System traded globally by traders of all levels, from micro account to macro account, from future stocks, options to Forex to Bitcoin. View movies students made about their lives. Because if Ken can do this, so can you. Listen how crisis became opportunity for Ken. Trading Bitcoin on his iPhone. Supporting family of 5. Trading options with Alpha Fibonacci System. Price is price, exactly the same everywhere. Bootcamp included in every single package. Group course private mentoring includes bootcamp. We're down to only 3 spaces. Video library modules included. This bootcamp will never ever repeat again. Once a year I teach a bootcamp and once a year I pick a different topic. In this bootcamp I will be coaching you how to trade as hedge fund managers do. I will be coaching you how to think with quality, strategic, intelligent mindset, no matter what you trade. And when markets are quiet, we will be focusing on optimizing your brain. Because if your brain functioning well, your mindset functioning drastically better. If you are a graduate of the course and you're fortunate enough to grab last few spaces, value $3,000 of the bootcamp for you available for drastically less. Please call or email me with any other questions. I love what I do. So when I will take a moment off on my birthday to prepare for a bootcamp, I can wait to see you in a bootcamp. Adios, everyone. Thank you for spectacular week. Enjoy video library until live classes will resume again. I can't wait for bootcamp. Thank you so much, everyone.